Hello there, so welcome to my allotment, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a tour. It's March, so I'll just show you what's been going on. So this is the front of my plot. It's a flower bed. There's plenty of bulbs in here that are coming up already. Tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, loads of other stuff in there as well, so it'll be a nice surprise when they start coming up. And then I've got my peas, which are meteor, so they're early, and broad beans as well. So I planted those early winter, and obviously they've come up, and hopefully it should give me a nice early crop. I sowed some peas directly here last week, and I'm going to have to fleece it, I think, because the evenings are still quite chilly, just to give it protection as well when they start coming up, and the birds will target them, so I have to give them a bit of protection. And then next to the peas will be the dwarf French beans. So yeah, I should plant those out here. This patch will be for sweet corn. That's right, because I work my way down in strips. So sweet corn will be here. And then this is my garlic. I've got loads and loads of garlic this year. Hopefully I'll get some decent crop, because I always get affected with white rot and leaf miner as well. So end of February I put the mesh on, and that should protect me from the leaf miner. See here, I've got some repairs there as well, so you're a fly, I don't like that. Hopefully I'll get a good crop. And then I've got onions and shallots towards the end here. I don't like growing winter onions. I just prefer it with growing from seed. So I've got plenty of seedlings on the go. So we'll see how they fare. And then this patch will be for tomatoes. I haven't got my usual outdoor tomatoes. I haven't got Marmande, Roma, San Marzano. I've got different varieties this year, so I will see how they get on. I've got freezers full of passata still, so to be honest, I'm not that fussed. And here's my brassica cage, purple sprouting broccoli. Some cauliflower there, and then I've got some plants on the go in the greenhouse at home. And so yeah, I've got some strawberry plants, I think to give to my neighbour, and I've got some mulch there to put on the strawberries. Strawberries in those planters. Strawberries all around. This is the fruit area. Then I've got black currants, and I think I'm probably going to be growing melon around the arches, or cucumber. I haven't quite decided yet, but I've got a melon called Emir, which is a very good outdoor UK variety. It's a cantaloupe style. And then at the end here, this is my asparagus patch. You can see they did start coming up because we had a nice warm period. Well, we're still in that warm period, but it's still quite cold at night, so they came up and regretted it, I think. And at the end here, this is my samphire. The samphire and asparagus, same family. So when I fertilise and salt this area, it doesn't affect the asparagus because they can take it. So I don't know if I've got any seedlings coming up yet. Doesn't look like it, but it's been quite dry, so I'm going to give this a water and a seaweed feed and get some salt on it. You don't really need salt for the germination, but I'm going to do it anyway. And my wildlife area, again like the asparagus, we had some early frog spawn and early frog activity in here. So there is frog spawn, and it's gone quite deep in that corner there, which is quite handy because it's been so cold and we've had some frosts. So the deeper it goes, the better protection it has. So hopefully it will survive. And yeah, so this is the first time really the wildlife area's had some TLC. So in November I manured it. I got lots of cow manure put it all around here, and there's loads and loads of seedlings, wildlife seedlings and flowers that are coming up. I think these are poppies. I've got put some bulbs in there as well. So yeah, it's a great little wildlife habitat. So yeah, I'm just going to weed the strawberry area and get the mulch down. So this is marvellous mulch. It's more natural than Strulch, and yeah, it's got seaweed with it as well. And obviously there you can see it expands 8 times further, so it's just fairly expensive at 14 quid, but you get a lot for your buck. There we go, all done. Let's see how much of the bag I used. Hardly any, still got loads. So yeah, I bet when they start flowering I'll need to top it up anyway. So, but yeah, that's pretty good. I've given it all a feed of seaweed water, so yeah, the straw on top of it's just going to lock that moisture in at the moment. So all good. Cheerio.